Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install QuickBooks Desktop Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the QuickBooks Desktop installation file from the official QuickBooks website. Locate the downloaded file, usually found in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installation file to begin the setup process. When prompted, select Yes to allow the program to make changes to your computer. Choose your installation type. Select Express for default settings or Custom for more control over the installation. If you chose Custom, click Next to proceed with the installation. Review the license agreement and select I accept the terms of the license agreement. Click Next to continue the installation. Choose whether to enable automatic updates and select Next. When the installation process begins, wait for it to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation is finished, click Open QuickBooks Desktop to launch the program. If prompted, select your desired language for the QuickBooks interface. Create or sign in to your QuickBooks account when prompted. Follow the setup wizard to configure your company information. Select the type of business you want to set up in QuickBooks. Enter relevant details such as your business name, address, and business type. Continue through the wizard to complete your company file setup. Once you have entered all the information, click Create Company File to save your settings. Review your company file and ensure all details are accurate. Finally, click Finish to complete the installation process. You are now ready to start using QuickBooks Desktop for your accounting needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.